The 42, 57, and 86 series are medium to large lead screw stepper motors. They are mainly designed for high-load and industrial heavy-duty scenarios. Meanwhile, we offer various lead screw diameters for you to choose from. The biggest feature of this series is its extremely high integrated rigidity. The lead screw and motor are directly rigidly connected, eliminating mechanical backlash and transmission losses. The entire series optimizes the matching of lead, thrust, and operating speed for medium to large sizes. This ensures excellent repeat positioning accuracy and speed stability during continuous high-load operation with high thrust and long effective stroke. We provide comprehensive heavy-duty platform customization services for different strokes, leads, shaft end machining, and flange mounting interfaces. If you need high-thrust, highly integrated linear motion solutions, feel free to contact us for consultation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.